G'day, my name's Mark and I'm a service technician here at Digga, Australia. Today we're going to be running through our oil change procedure on our medium-sized gearboxes ranges PD6 through to PD12. When draining your old oil from your gearbox, leave your gearbox attached to your machine hanging vertically. Place a drain container underneath your gearbox and remove your drain bung with an 8mm Allen key. Once all the old oil is drained, refit your bung finger tight and use your machine to lay your gearbox flat on the ground with the bung facing upwards to the 12 o'clock position. Remove drain bung and slowly refill gearbox through the drain hole. Your gearbox oil capacity can be found on your serial tag located on top of your gearbox hood. Fill your gearbox using this capacity as a guide. Please note that not all your gearbox oil will drain out using this procedure, so remember that the gearbox may take slightly less than the recommended amount. Once capacity level has been reached, roll your gearbox by hand until the drain hole is sitting at 11 o'clock. Allow any excess oil to drain out until level is at the base of the drain hole thread with gearbox sitting in the 11 o'clock position. Once you've drained away your excess gearbox oil and your gearbox oil level is sitting at the base of your drain bung thread, you can reinstall your drain bung and your oil change is complete. If you're unsure of any of the information I've just explained, you can double check your operator's manual or get in contact with us at any one of our 3 branches across Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria.